What if you never had to worry about your car breaking down again? Imagine owning a vehicle so reliable that it could potentially outlast your mortgage. These aren't fantasy cars. They actually exist, and today I'm counting down the 5 vehicles that mechanics rarely see in their shops. I've analyzed decades of reliability data, maintenance records, and high-mileage examples to identify the cars that truly go the distance. These aren't just reliable vehicles. They're engineering marvels designed to keep running when everything else has failed. Hit that subscribe button if you're tired of unexpected repair bills and want insider knowledge on vehicles that could save you thousands over their lifetime. 5. Mazda Miata NEM X5. Starting our countdown at number 5 is the Mazda Miata, the sports car that breaks the stereotype that performance vehicles can't be reliable. While most sports cars demand frequent, expensive maintenance, the Miata defies expectations with remarkable durability. According to RepairPal, the Miata scores an impressive 4.0 out of 5.0 for reliability, the highest rating among all sports cars. Annual maintenance costs average just $429, which is roughly half what you'd pay for comparable sports cars. The NC generation, 2006 to 2015, deserves special attention. These third-generation Miatas feature improved build quality over earlier models while maintaining the mechanical simplicity that contributes to longevity. Many NC owners report exceeding 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance. What makes the Miata so dependable? First, its engines aren't pushed to their limits. While they deliver enjoyable performance, they operate well below their maximum stress threshold, reducing long-term wear. Second, the timing chain used in these models eliminates one of the most common failure points in engines. And third, the car's lightweight design puts less strain on components like brakes and suspension. The Miata's reliability extends beyond just the engine. Its manual transmissions are particularly bulletproof, with mechanics reporting they rarely need to rebuild them. Even the power retractable hardtop mechanism in the PRHT models has proven surprisingly durable compared to complex convertible systems in pricier sports cars. For drivers who want the wind in their hair without the maintenance nightmare that typically comes with sports car ownership, the Miata proves you can have both performance and peace of mind. At number 4, we have the Mercedes-Benz E-Class from the W211 2003 to 2009 and W212 2010 to 2016 generations. Proof that German luxury can indeed be reliable with the right engineering. After some quality control issues in the early 2000s, Mercedes made a determined effort to reclaim their engineering reputation with these E-Class generations. The later W211 models, 2007 to 2009, and the entire W212 generation represent a return to Mercedes' tradition of building cars that last. The E350, with its 3.5-liter V6 engine, deserves special recognition. This naturally aspirated power plant delivers smooth performance without the complexity and potential issues of turbocharged alternatives. Many examples have exceeded 300,000 miles with just routine maintenance. The diesel variants available in European markets are even more durable, with the OM64 2V6 diesel commonly surpassing 400,000 miles. What makes these E-Class models stand out is how Mercedes addressed previous weaknesses. The electrical systems were completely redesigned to eliminate the gremlins that plagued earlier models. The 7G Tronic transmission introduced in this era has proven remarkably durable compared to the problematic 5-speed units it replaced. Unlike many modern luxury cars designed with planned obsolescence in mind, these E-Class generations were built with a longer service life in focus. High-quality materials throughout the cabin resist wear, and the suspension components are overbuilt to maintain Mercedes' trademark ride quality for hundreds of thousands of miles. For buyers seeking luxury combined with surprising longevity, a properly maintained 2007 to 2016 E-Class represents perhaps the best balance of refinement and reliability in the European luxury segment. Third spot is the Honda Civic from the 8th generation, 2006 to 2011, and 9th generation, 2012 to 2015, the compact car that continues to set the benchmark for affordable reliability. What makes these Civics remarkable isn't just their reliability, but their value proposition. While many vehicles on our list required luxury car investments, The Civic delivers Mercedes-level durability at a quarter of the price. It's democratized reliability, making virtually bulletproof engineering accessible to everyone. The 1.8-liter R18 engine found in most of these Civics is a masterpiece of efficient design. Operating well below its stress threshold during normal driving, this engine commonly exceeds 300,000 miles without internal repairs. The timing chain, rather than a belt, eliminates a major maintenance item and potential failure point. Honda's engineering philosophy focuses on conservative design improvements rather than revolutionary changes. This evolutionary approach ensures proven components are refined rather than replaced with untested technology. The transmission options in these generations, particularly the manual, are known for exceptional durability, with many exceeding the lifespan of the vehicles themselves. The Civic's reliability is backed by impressive statistics. According to iSeeCar's analysis of vehicles with over 200,000 miles, the Civic consistently ranks in the top percentile for longevity. Consumer Reports has awarded these generations top reliability scores year after year. Perhaps most impressive is how these Civics maintain their efficiency and performance even at high mileages. While many cars feel tired after 100,000 miles, these Civics with 200,000 plus miles often drive like they're just getting broken in, with minimal deterioration in fuel economy or acceleration. For young buyers, budget-conscious families, or anyone who values dependability over flash, the 8th and 9th generation Civic remains the benchmark that all other economical cars aspire to match. Second place is the Toyota Camry from the 1540, 2007 to 2011, and 1550, 2012 to 2017 generations. The mid-size sedan that became the default recommendation for anyone seeking bulletproof transportation. These Camry generations represent Toyota's reliability philosophy perfected. The company focused on proven technologies rather than cutting-edge innovations, resulting in cars that consistently outlast their competition. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engines found in these models are arguably some of the most durable power plants ever mass-produced. What makes these Camrys extraordinary is their resistance to almost every common automotive failure point. The cooling systems rarely leak, the transmissions seldom fail, and the electrical systems remain trouble-free for hundreds of thousands of miles. Toyota's conservative engineering approach means these cars were built with larger safety margins than necessary. They're literally overbuilt. The statistics back up the Camry's reputation. According to Consumer Reports reliability studies, these Camry generations received top marks across nearly every category for multiple consecutive years. A study by iSeeCars found that the Camry was 1.5 times more likely to reach 200,000 miles than the average vehicle. Toyota's attention to seemingly minor details contributes significantly to the Camry's longevity. The water pump is driven by the timing chain, eliminating a common failure point. The automatic transmissions have dedicated cooling systems to prevent overheating. Even the alternator is positioned to minimize exposure to heat and moisture. Most impressively, these Camrys achieve their legendary reliability without sacrificing comfort or features. They deliver smooth, quiet transportation with reasonable amenities while requiring minimal maintenance beyond oil changes, brake pads, and tires. For those who view cars as appliances rather than passions, the 2007 to 2017 Camry represents automotive perfection, transportation that simply works year after year with minimal fuss or expense. 1. Lexus S350/ES300H 2007 to present, and our number one spot goes to the Lexus ES350 and its hybrid sibling, the ES300H, from 2007 onward. Luxury vehicles that have redefined what long-term reliability means in the modern era. The Lexus ES takes the already bulletproof Toyota Camry platform and elevates it with better materials, additional quality control, and more refined engineering. The result is a luxury sedan with economy car maintenance costs and unparalleled longevity. The 3.5-liter V6 engine in the ES350 deserves special recognition. This naturally aspirated power plant delivers smooth, effortless power while operating well below its stress threshold. Many examples have exceeded 300,000 miles without internal repairs. Even more impressive is the hybrid system in the ES300AH, which has defied early skeptics by demonstrating remarkable durability, with many original battery packs still performing well beyond 200,000 miles. What separates the ES from other luxury vehicles is Lexus's relentless focus on quality control. Each ES undergoes more inspections during production than almost any other car on the market. This attention to detail results in remarkably consistent build quality that maintains integrity over decades of use. The data confirms the ES's exceptional reliability. J.D. Power has awarded the ES their highest dependability rating nearly every year since 2007. Consumer Reports consistently ranks it among the most reliable luxury vehicles available. According to Lexus service departments, the ES requires approximately 30% fewer repairs than the average luxury vehicle over a 10-year period. Perhaps most telling is how these vehicles age. While many luxury cars require increasingly expensive repairs as they accumulate miles, the ES maintains its composure with minimal degradation. Interior materials resist wear, suspension components maintain ride quality, and electronic systems continue functioning flawlessly long after competitors have failed. For those seeking the perfect balance of luxury, comfort, and bulletproof engineering, the post-2007 Lexus ES models stand alone at the pinnacle of reliable automotive design.